How to turn off chat history in DeepSeek. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let me tell you the truth. There is no option as of now to turn off chat history in DeepSeek, but what you can do is you can delete your chat history. So, I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. Go to any browser and then open up your DeepSeek and then head over to your profile in the bottom left. Go to settings and then head over to data. And there you can see delete all option. So you just need to tap on it and all of your chat history will be deleted. So you can do it every time you want to clear your chat history. This is basically like turning off your chat history. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.